Now, this is how you can quit mail in your MacBook. Let's get into it. Well, obviously, the most common or like the easiest approach, the first level to this is to just open up, or get to the dock at the bottom. And if you have the mail app open, you can easily quit it by right clicking on it, and the quit button is going to be right there. So it is pretty simple that way, right? So this might be one thing you might mean by quitting the mail, but obviously outside of that, if you want to just log out of your accounts, you can open the app and tap on mail in the top left corner and tap on accounts, and it will move you over into the system preferences, where inside of the internet accounts menu you can manage all of the accounts added, right? So naturally you will have the iCloud, but it's possible that you'll have some other ones like the Gmail or whichever one you might be using, right? Obviously you can add Microsoft and like Yahoo and plenty of others, right? So you can delete the accounts right there, and this is how you can technically quit it as well, right? So this is like a completely different thing. On the other hand, you also have the ability to open up the Activity Monitor app on your Mac, and using this application, you can browse the process and activity of essentially every single application on your Mac. And using this, you can just locate the mail on from the list right here. You can double tap it, and you can even either like quit it or even force quit, right? So you can also manage it this way, and this would be like a way to quit it manually in case the mail just stopped working for whatever reason. So this might be again a different thing you might want to do. Anyways, that's it. That's all the things I could think of. So let me know below in the comments if there are anything, like any other things you wanted to know about and I didn't mention. So perhaps I might make an updated video about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.